Hello, this is going to be my Media Lab number 3 for project number 3. So project number 3 is about changing genre and medium. So for my creative revision, I'm going to be using my memoir project, which was about the story of my mother having my little brother and how it helped me find my passion and just changed my life. So the genre of it is pretty much a drama, so I'll be changing the genre from a drama to a comedy. I want to make it more kid friendly. So, changing the medium, I'm going to change it from a PowerPoint slash digital storybook to a comic strip because comic strips have um, a lot less text and is a lot more kid friendly than my previous original memoir project. And then there's just a visual example of how I would plan on doing that. So to make it multimodal, I plan on getting an 18 by 24 sheet of drawing paper and drawing the illustrations on it myself in a comic strip. And then obviously using minimal text, unlike the original memoir I created, to make it kid friendly, like I previously said. And then I'm just gonna capture pictures of the whole comic and then of the individual illustrations also, and then just screen recording it with my voice, with a voiceover, either using Screenomatic or iMovie, or a combination of the two. I'm not really sure which one yet, but either one or both. And then just putting music and sound effects in the background of the audio to present my comic um, in a more effective way because I feel like music and sound effects engage children more, and that's kind of like my goal necessarily. And then here's just some examples of comics that have like simple characters like I plan on using. And so yeah, thank you. I look forward to creating my final project.